Hello, this is Josh, Dream Body Clinic, and today we're going to talk about avoiding surgery and healing a slap tear. So a slap tear is a superior labrum, anterior and posterior tear. It's a very common issue in the shoulder. And the labrum is inside here. It's like it's a big pad basically where the elbow joint occurs, and if you injure it, it's not fun. It tends to limit motion vertically. A lot of people get to where they can't do this or do a windmill if they've got these labrum tears. And fortunately, mesenchymal stem cells work wonders at healing this. And it's a very common issue. We see a lot of guys actually like doing bench press, will tear it. And as long as it's not a complete tear, we can put the mesenchymal stem cells in. Real simple. We typically do it with one shot. We go in the back here near the shoulder blade, actually from the back. They go right in. You don't feel a thing. I've done this treatment before and it's probably the easiest treatment we have. Like, didn't even know the needle went in me. It was so simple. And it's great because you're going to go to a doctor and they're going to want to get in there and start operating, and it never goes perfect because they're going to tear things up. They're going to try and reattach, stitch things up, always leave scar tissue, never leaves a perfect joint. And then it starts grinding away faster. And before you know it, you need a shoulder replacement. And you don't want a shoulder replacement because those surgeries never go well. I don't think I've met anybody that's had a successful pain-free shoulder replacement. Very complicated joint. You'd think it'd be easy. That's what I thought. But no, the shoulder, very difficult. Hips, knees, pretty straightforward and simple. But look, anytime you can avoid the knife is good. That's my theory there. And I've done everything I can to avoid surgeries. I've had a 50% tear in my tricep tendon in the past I had to heal with the stem cells. I've fixed my knees. I've fixed my herniated discs in my lower back and neck, and the stem cells work for these things. So if you'd like to learn more about how stem cells could help you repair a labrum tear, get a hold of us. You can call us toll free at 888-704-3977 or check out the website at www.dreambody.clinic. I'm Josh. Happy to help.